Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'm going to be taking you in a day in my life as a student in FERRANDI's Fundamentals of Cuisine program, here at my school in the heart of Paris. Allons-y! First, I need to change. All right, all set. Let's go to the kitchen. Here we are at the kitchen with Chef Ali, and we are going to be cooking magret de canard today. Thank you for coming along in a day in my life, and thank you so much, Chef, for all the help.
That's my pleasure, giving you my knowledge. Take the best of the rest, like all the time.